Latest digital trends. X launches community notes for videos. Google is putting short videos on Play Store to aid app discovery. Instagram rolls out option to share feed posts with close friends only. Instagram tests out location tags in notes. Google Ads emails now include customer IDs. Instagram's testing 3-minute and 10-minute Reels uploads. Google will allow NFT gaming ads under updated cryptocurrency ad policy. Duolingo confirms its app will soon include both math and music lessons. Snapchat exceeds 9 million monthly users in Denmark, Norway. Microsoft to end mandatory use of Edge for Windows 11 users in EU. Instagram offers parental settings to help kids navigate the tricky waters of social media. YouTube testing fewer, longer ad breaks on TV. YouTube moves into mobile games with Playables. TikTok hires Britain's NCC for auditing data security. YouTube's annual $2 billion Sunday Ticket experiment kicks off this weekend. For more digital trend, visit kiranvaliti.com.